Today, we're testing and reviewing the Niu KQi3 Max electric scooter, the top model from Niu's lineup of electric scooters. It has great specs like a top speed of 24 miles per hour and a solid build quality that's designed to be ultra durable. In our other videos, we tested and compared both the Niu KQi2 and KQi3 Pro. And in this video, we'll be putting the KQi3 Max to the test to see how this beast ranks up. It retails for $950 from Niu's website, but it's also available on Amazon with free Prime shipping. And there's some deals available, so we'll put links in the description of this video to the best prices and coupon codes to save you money. Taking a look at what's in the box, the scooter ships in a large box along with a manual, charger, and some tools. There's minimal setup required. All you need to do is plug in the handlebar, drop it in the stem, and use the included screws to secure it. And before you get riding, you do need to download and install the app to register the scooter. The app makes you watch a beginner tutorial with safety tips, and if that isn't enough, the scooter stays in low speed mode with a top speed of 6 miles per hour for about half a mile of riding until you can change the riding modes. While this is a little annoying, they have to do this for liability reasons and to keep riders safe. For the design, it's similar to the KQi3 Pro, but with a more aggressive styling. It comes in a space gray color along with red accents on the brake calipers and cables. And we really like this color combo, which makes it stand out compared to other models. The bottom deck is large, giving your feet plenty of space to stand. And with a max rider weight of 265 pounds, the KQi3 Max can handle the heaviest riders out there. Looking at the specs, the KQi3 Max is the fastest, most powerful, and longest range electric scooter from Niu's lineup. It features a 450-watt rear motor, which has a peak output of 900 watts, and the powerful motor can hit speeds of up to 24 miles per hour. And going fast means you'll want some good brakes. And the KQi3 Pro has triple brakes, dual disc brakes in the front and rear, along with a regenerative braking that automatically kicks in and uses the motor to slow down, while recharging the battery. The braking is strong, bringing it to a quick stop, and you can even lock the rear brakes for some nice slides. For battery, the KQi3 Max has a 608 watt-hour battery, which gives it a huge amount of range of up to 40 miles. Now, that range is the advertised range, which means your true range will depend on how much you weigh and how fast you go. In our tests, we found that even a 170-pound rider going at the highest speeds was still able to get at least 30 miles of range. That's plenty of range for even the longest commutes. For wheels, the KQi3 Max has 9.5-inch wheels and self-healing tires that will automatically seal when punctured, which helps prevent flat tires. The one thing that the KQi3 doesn't have is dedicated suspension, but as long as you're keeping it to the streets and bike paths and not going off-road, it handles just fine, but you will want to avoid large potholes and obstacles on the road. For the handlebars, they're wider than most other scooters, which is perfect for taller riders and helps you turn easily. There's also a small LCD screen in the middle, which is simple and easy to see, even in the direct sunlight. It shows you simple details like your current speed, battery life, and if the lights are on or off. Using the button underneath the screen, you can change the riding modes or turn the lights on or off. Speaking of lights, we've always really liked Niu's Halo headlight. The halo stays on during the day, and the main light turns on when you turn on the lights. It's also adjustable, so you can aim it higher or lower depending on preference. And it also has reflectors and a large rear tail light with brake indicator, so you're going to be plenty visible at night. The scooter also has Bluetooth and app connectivity, and the Niu app has a clean UI with solid features. You can check the battery life, lock and unlock the scooter, and track your rides and see ride records. You can also adjust some of the settings, like turn on cruise control mode and change energy recovery settings for the regenerative braking. We also like that the app gives detailed information about the battery health, including how many cycles it's had, temperature, and overall battery score, so you can keep an eye on how your scooter is aging over time. For folding and carrying, the mechanism is well made and easy to operate. The rear latch locks in easily with a button to release. For the weight, it comes in at 46 pounds. which is pretty heavy, so you're not going to want to carry it very far. And while that is a little heavier than other scooters, that's because of its build quality and material, and you're going to get significantly more range from the bigger battery. And that's one important aspect to consider with electric scooters: the build quality and durability. We've tested many electric scooters over the years from different brands, and we can tell you that Niu has the best build quality and components that we've seen from any other scooter. Niu also includes a 2-year warranty on the KQi3 Max, which is one of the longest and best warranties we've seen for an electric scooter of this price. Most other brands will offer you a 1-year or less warranty, so they stand behind their promise that these electric scooters are built to last. Overall, the Niu KQi3 is one of the most powerful, sturdiest scooters at this price point, with a higher top speed and carrying capacity than the competition. Alright, that's it for now. Next, be sure to check out our other electric scooter reviews and comparisons.